Hey everyone, I'm going to introduce you to a new template today, and this is our Margot's 1 yard apron. And when it means 1 yard, you only need 1 yard of fabric to make this awesome apron. And it makes everything from the apron to the straps to the ties, even your pockets. And again, it's only 1 yard. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And as with all Martelli templates, they all come with the amazing browning fabric on here, so that when you go and set this down on your fabric, no matter how many layers you have, it's going to grip it and hold it so that you can do all of your cutting in one easy swipe to do. So there are full written instructions in here, and I have them right here. So it's going to go over on how to fold your fabric so you can do your cutting and get the perfect apron. So why do we need an apron? An apron can be used in the kitchen. It can be used in the gardening. They can be made for your kids so that they don't get things all over their clothes when they're crafting and playing with paints or Play-Doh, or again in the garden so you don't get it everywhere. You can make it for the handyman who might want to not protect his clothes a little bit. There's all kinds of reasons why you would need to have an apron. I'm going to show you some examples because this one, we've had a lot of fun with this one. So this is the very first one, and it's actually on the photo. This is the very first one we made, and you can use the actual fabric that you cut off right here on the arms for the pockets, but I added a little contrast, so I did it with the black. So a full yard is what you need to be able to make the full thing, and again, that's the straps, and that is the gusset, and everything you need to be able to make it, plus the pockets, but I added the black so you can see the contrast with the pockets. You can have the pockets or not have the pockets, but this one is one right here. But let me show you another one. You can make it out of different materials. Here is some canvas that we had. Look how cute is this. This will be great for the artists in your life. You could easily make this one right here. I have another one for the baker. This one here is with some cute, fun fabric. For those who love to bake, I have a daughter who absolutely loves baking, so this one is absolutely fun to make. But I love panels. So what if you was to take this template and use it for panels? And let me show you this one. This one's a fun farm panel. Look at that. Take the template and use it on a panel to make a fun project. But that's not all. I got one more to show you. Let me show you this one here. This one again was made with the panel. I had to add a little bit more to the sides to get it to the width. But look at that. How cool is this one? Again, this is the Margot 1 yard, literally, apron, and so much fun. Be sure to pick yours up today.